This is a quick demonstration on how to use the EyebrowQueen Brow Fix. It's quite a unique product to the market, so a lot of people are unsure on how to use it properly. So I just wanted to do a demonstration to show you how to get the best out of the product. I always struggled to find a brow solution that would hold my brows into place without feeling sticky. So I didn't really want to create a gel. I wanted to create like a lightweight lotion. So my eyebrows are really stubborn to lift, and what the Brow Fix does is it gives that laminated, like brushed up look and sets your brows into place all day. You literally need less than 1 drop on a spoolie brush. The spoolie brush comes with the product. So I pop it onto the brush like that. Then I take that 1 drop and I brush my brows in the opposite direction to the way they grow. And that just starts coating each hair with all the product. And it makes them a little bit stiffer and easier to work with. Then I'm going to roll the brush through the brows and start setting them into place. So that just gives the brows a chance to become tacky so that they're easier to control. If the brows are really stubborn, you can take the handle of the brush and literally just press that against the brows to hold them against the skin, and that will give you that more sort of laminated look where they're kind of flat to the skin. If you use too much product, the brows will become really crispy, they'll look almost shiny, and you won't be able to work with them very well if you want to apply more or move the position. So it's really important you only use a tiny bit of product. If I want to build up the product, I'll just take another drop and repeat the process. And that way I won't overload the brows and make them really stiff or shiny. I don't really suit that overly sort of spiky look, but I like the fronts to be spiky and then the rest of the brows just to fall over neatly. You can also use the Brow Fix to hold your makeup in place. So if you spent a long time drawing little hair strokes in, or you don't have any eyebrows and you've got just pencil there that you need to stay on all day, what you can do is just take a drop of the product onto your hand, use a fine angled brush, get a tiny bit onto the brush, and then literally just paint over each hair stroke. That method is also really good for separating the hairs as well and creating more of like a spiky look. But once you've got that on your brow makeup, you can go swimming, you can go to the gym, it makes it waterproof and it won't show.